In this video, we will talk about the Add to Library feature. If you like a lesson or quest but aren't quite ready to assign it yet, the Add to Library feature is perfect for you. It will save the lesson or quest to your assignments page where you can easily assign it or discard it later. Lessons in your library don't count against your content cap, so you can use it as a good place to store content you're interested in using later. Let's learn how to use it. When you find a lesson you would like to save for later, simply click on the vertical 3 dots, then click on Add to Library. A window will pop up asking you which class the lesson should be saved to, and if there are any specific students you intend to assign the lesson to in the future. After filling out the fields, click Add to Library. Now, when I navigate to the Otter A Assignments page, the lesson will be saved under Assignments Library. You may have to click on the arrow next to Assignments Library to see your saved assignments. When you are ready to assign a lesson saved in your Assignments Library, simply click on the vertical 3 dots and click Assign. Fill out the fields and click Assign again to ensure everything is saved. The assignment is now under Active and Upcoming Assignments. In the next video, we will go over how to delete content that you've assigned or that is in your assignments library.